Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Madhu's Versity. Today we are going to learn lines and angles, that is chapter 6 of class 9. So let us start. Before going to the exercises, let us just recall few concepts of lines and angles. So what is a line? A line has no end point. It extends on both sides. This is a line. What is a line segment? Line segment is a part of line but it has endpoints. It is the line between two endpoints is called a line segment. What are collinear points? The points which lie on the line are called collinear points. So these points are called collinear points. They may be on the line or on the line segment. These points are called collinear points. And the points which are not on the line are called non-collinear points. These points are non-collinear points. Now, angle. What is an angle? An angle is formed when two lines intersect at a point. See, this is a line, this is a line, or you can call this as a ray. What is a ray? A ray is a line with one end point. See, this is a ray. A line with one end point is called a ray. When two rays meet at a common point, they form a angle. This is an angle. What are the arms of the angle? Arms of the angle are the two rays which join at a point. This is one arm, this is another arm. These two are called the arms of the angle. What is the vertex of angle? What vertex is the point at which these two rays join. This is the vertex of angle. Now, what is an acute angle? An acute angle is that angle which is less than 90 degrees. See, when two rays meet at a point with an angle less than 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, right? So when they form an angle which is less than 90 degrees, it is an acute angle. Now, what is a right angle? The angle between the two rays should be 90 degrees. The angle between the two rays should be 90 degrees. This is called a right angle. Now, what is an obtuse angle? Then an angle when formed between both the rays, if it is greater than 90 degrees. See, this angle is greater than 90 degrees, right? This is 90, but this angle which is formed by these two rays is greater than 90 degrees. This is called obtuse angle. What is a straight angle? If the angle formed by two rays, this is one ray and this is one ray. If the angle formed by these two rays is 180 degrees, this is 180 degrees, it is called straight angle. It is called straight angle. Now, what is reflex angle? Reflex angle is the angle which is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. That is called, see, this is called reflex angle. The angle formed here is greater than 90, see, and greater than 180 and less than 360. This is called reflex angle. Now, two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. So, when two angles are formed, if we add the two angles, if it is 90 degrees, it is called complementary angles. Then two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. When two angles are added, if the sum is 180 degrees, then they are called supplementary angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have common vertex, common arm, and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. So what does this mean? Two angles are called adjacent. See, let us see two angles. See, I'll draw one angle. See, this is an angle formed by two rays, right? Now, let us see, this is one. Now, let us see another angle. There is one more angle formed by this. Okay. Now, this is the common arm. See, this angle is 2. So, for 1 and 2, this is the common arm. So, these two angles are adjacent if they have common vertex. This is the common vertex and a common arm. This is the common arm, and the non-common arm. This is this one and this one are not common. So, they are on different sides of the common arm. So, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Okay. Now, next point. If the non-common arms form a line, they are called linear pair. If the non-common arms form a line, that is C. This is one angle, this is one ray, and this is one other A, C. This one is called a linear pair. The non-common arms form a line, they are called linear pair of angles. Now, when two lines intersect each other at a point, there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So, let us see. This is one line, A, B. Now, let us see another line. This is one more line, C, D. So, when two lines intersect each other at a point, there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. See, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. These two are vertically opposite angles. This is one pair, and this is angle 3, this is angle 4. So, this is another pair. There are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Okay. And we'll go to the next point. Now, the lengths of the common perpendiculars at different points on parallel lines is same. See, let's have parallel line. This is one parallel line. This line is parallel to this. These two are parallel lines, right? The lengths of common perpendicular. See, let us draw one perpendicular to this. This is a perpendicular to this line, okay? And this is a perpendicular to this line. And this is a perpendicular to this line. So, I have drawn three perpendiculars. The lengths of common perpendiculars at different points on parallel lines is same. This distance is same, and this equal length is called distance between two parallel lines. What is this called? Distance between two parallel lines. Okay, clear? Now, let's go to the axioms. What is axiom 6.1? Axiom 6.1 says, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degrees. So, if a ray stands on a line, okay, this is the common point. If a ray stands on the line, then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Okay. Now what does the axiom 6.2 says? If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, then the non-common arms form a line. Okay. This is similar to 6.1. You can understand by learning 6.1. See, let us say it one more time. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. Okay. These are the axioms 6.1 and 6.2. Now let's go to the theorem of 6.1. This is theorem 6.1. So what does this state? If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us see. If two lines A, B, this is a line and one more line. Let's say C, D. Okay. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So what are the vertically opposite angles here? This is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Let us see. This is angle 3 and this is angle 4. So according to this theorem, the vertically opposite angles are equal. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. The vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. I hope I am clear till now, right? So let's proceed to the exercise problems in my next episode. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment section so that I can solve and help you out. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.